Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram carousel post using multiple photos or videos. We'll start off by opening up the Instagram app on our phone. Now on here, you want to click the plus sign next to the heart and the messages in the top right. And in here, you want to go to post at the top. In here, you can then change from gallery in the bottom left to photos, or keep it on gallery if you want to add photos and videos. The next step would be for you to select the image or video you want to be first in your carousel post. So let's click this, and then you see to the right of gallery is this gallery post button next to the camera icon. You then select that, and you can now go ahead and select a couple more pictures. There you go. Once you're done with that and adding your post to the gallery post, this is possible up to 10 different pictures or videos. You then hit next, and in here you can go ahead and add filters to your pictures, or hold a pic and drag it to the right or left in order to change the order of the pictures that are being displayed, like this. You can also hold it and drag it to the trash can at the top in order to delete a picture. Once you're happy with that, you can then click next to go ahead, and you can now add a caption. Let's say carousel posts Instagram. You can then tag people, add a reminder, add a location, add a fundraiser even, and you then hit the tick or the tick icon in the top right in order to upload the post to your Instagram page. That's how to make an Instagram carousel post. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.